Canva makes creating easy. Start from scratch or save time with one of the thousands of high-quality educational templates. In this video, we will learn how to create a blank design, apply a template, and explore the template marketplace. Let's dive in. On your homepage, click the purple Create button. Here, you'll find blank designs of different sizes. Scroll to view suggested designs, or search something specific here. You can also create custom-sized designs to suit any need. For now, let's select Classroom Poster. A blank page will appear in the Canva editor ready for us to work on. In the editor, you'll find a huge variety of templates for different subjects, ages, and topics. Once you find the right design, click and apply it to your blank page. Some templates contain more than one page. You can select single pages or click Apply All to your design. Add a new page to your design by clicking the page icon here. Or duplicate a page like this. Easily view your pages as thumbnails in Grid View. Now you're ready to customize the template. Search for more education inspiration in the template marketplace. On your homepage, select Templates in the sidebar. Templates are organized by type and subject. Down here, you can see new and recommended templates. Let's explore the Social Studies category. Use filters to refine your results here. Preview a template before you select it. In this pop-up menu, we can see a sneak peek of the template, add a star to save for later, find a link to share with others, and explore similar templates. Once you find the right template, click Customize this template to start designing or assign it to your students. Canva makes it easy to unleash your creativity and engage your students. Start from scratch or explore Canva's templates to start inspired. Next up, we'll learn about the Canva editor and how to customize your designs to make them truly yours.